Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted guide for discovering the best products for you and your family. In this video, we're diving into what is undoubtedly the best blow-up baby tub on the market right now. The SHXKUAN Inflatable Bathing Tub for Toddlers. From first glance, this tub impresses with thoughtful design and child-friendly engineering. Whether you're a new parent or just looking for a more convenient bathing solution for your little one, this product brings safety, comfort, and portability together in one compact package. Let's start with the design. It's more than just a simple tub. SHXKUAN has taken an ergonomic approach here, with a backrest that tilts at a 45-degree angle. That means when your baby leans back, their spine is supported in a relaxed and safe position. The tub is shaped to accommodate both sitting and lying positions, so it adjusts as your baby grows from a newborn all the way up to 5 years old. This inflatable tub is made of thick, environmentally friendly PVC, 0.35 mm to be exact. It's strong enough to withstand babies' curious nibbles and soft enough to provide a gentle surface for their delicate skin. The material is anti-collision and designed to keep water warm longer, which is especially helpful during colder seasons or in air-conditioned environments. One of the standout features here is the multiple independent air chambers. These give the tub a stable structure, yet allow it to be folded down easily when not in use. You can hang it on the wall or tuck it into a bag when traveling. It even comes with its own air pump, so inflating it is fast and hassle-free. Inside the tub, comfort is king. It includes a soft, fluted headrest that cradles your baby's head. There's a non-slip central seat which is like a little saddle, that prevents them from sliding down. The bottom is cushioned and features an anti-skid texture to keep babies steady during bath time. In terms of practicality, this tub really shines. There's a drain outlet to quickly empty the water, and a seal that ensures there's no leaking. It even includes a built-in storage bag, perfect for keeping a washcloth, soap, or small toys within reach. What makes this tub especially great is its versatility. You can use it in a bathroom or place it inside a larger bathtub for extra support. Take it to hotels when you travel or set it up outdoors on a sunny day for water play or even sunbathing under supervision. It folds down into a compact shape, making it a top choice for apartment living or frequent travelers. Whether you're a first-time parent or just want a more flexible solution for bath time, the SHXKUAN Inflatable Baby Tub ticks all the boxes. Safe, soft, portable, and designed with real baby needs in mind, this is more than a tub, it's a travel-friendly bath station. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on product insights. And let us know in the comments what baby product you'd like us to feature next. Thanks for watching, and happy parenting.